Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to extend electrical wiring. First thing first, make sure you're connecting matching cables. Do not mix gauges or types of cables. Use a cable ripper to expose the inner wires, never a utility knife, and insert a cable about 6 inches into the ripper, squeeze and pull to slice open the sheeting. Trim off any paper filter and shell-thin remnants. Use a wire stripper to remove a ½ inch of insulation from each colored wire. Use the stripper slot that matches the wire gauge and leave ground wire bare copper as it is. Check all wires for damage, cuts, burn marks or nicks. You should have about 6 inches of wire prodded in from the sheeting into the box. Use a screwdriver and a hammer to open out 2 opposite knockouts of the box. Use pliers to wiggle and remove the discs and discard the metal tabs safely. Plastic clamps snap into knockout holes and metal clamps remove the ring, insert into box. Screw ring back on from the side and tighten securely. Insert 1 cable per knockout hole via the clamp. Sheathing should extend from 1/4 to ½ inch inside the box. Make sure cables are flat and not twisted or forced, and tighten the clamp so the cable is secure but not crashed. Use mounting holes to screw the box to a stud or solid framing and set the box depth to match the wall surface, using a bit extender for easier screw driving around the wires. Just match the color to color and either twist wires together or align wires and twist wire nut directly over them. Tug gently to confirm the connection is solid and no bare copper should be showing below the nut. Wrap electrical tape around the nut and wires for extra security. Simply push stripped wires into the matching holes on the connector and ensure they are seated and do not pull out easily. Just join all bare copper ground wires using a connector. For metal boxes, use and add a grounding pigtail. Twist the pigtail to the other grounds and screw the pigtail into the ground screw hole in the box using a green screw. Carefully tuck wires into the box, secure the cover plate using provided screws, and ensure the plate sits flush with the wall. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.